National Australia Bank is Australia's second largest bank, and in fact is Australia's largest business bank. We have 8.5 million very important customers, and we've been in operation for more than 170 years across 700 locations. NAB's data strategy is to deliver data at speed, at scale, in a secure way. Data is so fundamental to how we serve our customers and how we operate our own business that it needs to be like electricity. It needs to be reliable and continuously available for everyone who needs our data. Databricks is a key aspect of how we're going to power NAB's data strategy. The really empowering thing for using Databricks versus our other approaches that we've had in the past is that everything's in the same platform. When I think about the potential for generative AI within NAB, it's a really exciting future, and how we're going to adopt them to propel amazing customer service. It's really unlocking some very, very critical use cases for us, all the way through from marketing campaigns and financial crime detection and monitoring and reporting, business banker dashboards, and even our customer brain, which is our highly specialised and personalised digital decisioning engine. Unity Catalog solves a great many problems for data governance, user access, data lineage, and making sure that people are able to access the thing that they need when they need it, and they can understand exactly what they're working with. We've been able to unlock use cases that were not possible up until now to drive really amazing business outcomes and better value for our colleagues and customers.